day 4. I think I mentioned it in the previous video. I ended up breaking the engine block. One of these transmission mounts was the one that ended up breaking, so it was this side. So I snapped this one off. It broke in half. So I couldn't find somebody to weld it. I ended up getting a new engine block, a new engine. In the previous video, I'll show you guys what I ended up doing to the head, which is what I'm going to do to this one. I think I'm just going to sand it, prep it, because I'm going to take it to the machine shop tomorrow. They can do the machining either that same day, or if I'm going to have to leave it overnight, over the next few days, because it is Thursday tomorrow. So I don't know how fast they're going to get it done. But right now I just want to prep it. It's all stripped. There's no bolts, no bearings, there's nothing on the engine block. So I'm just going to clean it up a little bit before I take it. That way it's nice and clean when I get it back. So just kind of want to show you guys what the engine block looks like right now. So you guys can see how dirty that is. I got the intake manifold right here. I do have to take like the throttle piece off first in order to have it pretty much disassembled. So I'm going to do that. So now I'm just going to take this hose off, and the intake manifold is pretty much all disassembled. There's a gasket. I might have to get a new one of those, but I am going to wipe it down and get it nice and clean for when I paint it. I have a nice clean surface again. But this is the intake manifold. That's what it looks like right now. It's just a simple silver color. That's the back. So I'm gonna paint that a different color, and then I do have this one as well. So I'm gonna clean this one up too, and then I'm gonna be painting those a different color. So that's what this looks like right there. I'm gonna try something out. I got some mag and aluminum polish. So I'm just going to use a little bit on the rag and then see how that turns out. I think it actually does a pretty good job. Look at that. So I'm gonna do that to the rest of them. Hopefully they turn out the same.